My name is Clark Pichon. I work with Battelle Memorial Institute. I've been with Battelle for 12 years. I've been working my way as I started with Battelle as a security analyst. And over that time, I've been able to help grow Battelle's cybersecurity program. We were basically with the new CISO that came in, he wanted to move our operation to the cloud. So we started doing a 2-year project to look at moving our SIEM, which is our primary pane of glass. We put all our tools into the SIEM and we pretty much worked totally out of that. We evaluated around 7 SIEMs over that 2-year project. We boiled that down to 3, and Sumo was part of the last 3 contenders. It was much better. It was updated, very intuitive, super easy to use for my team coming from that background. Just really blew all our expectations. In all honesty, a very easy lift for us to move over to Sumo. Really, I had planned a 6-month project to move from Splunk into Sumo, and we were able to do it within a month. The AI built into Sumo has helped a great deal on building out alerting as well as, queries. If there's a problem and, we're having trouble maybe building a query, Dojo has been able to help us basically build those queries out and in a manner that before may have taken quite a bit of time. One of the things that we noticed very quickly is with the automation in Sumo, once it built a detection, it was able to automate those processes in an extremely fast manner. One of the areas that we've kind of built out is obviously, the time that it takes to work the alerts. Sumo has made it much easier for my analysts to go in and dig into these and determine whether they're true positive, false positive. The information that's being fed in is very straightforward and really easy out of the box to use. I think it's cut down, on our time to basically detection and to close. Where Sumo, I think, is extremely outdone itself is in the documentation and the training available, right? That was a big area for us when we started looking for a new SIEM was how is the documentation and is it accurate? And we found over time that Sumo's documentation is very accurate and kept up to date. Sumo is on steroids. It's better. It's a lot easier to use. It's a lot easier to manage. Our ease of onboarding was, expected 6 months, and we were able to do it in 1. Where I feel like Sumo's really outdone itself is their customer success team is great. What I had to do with 3 full-time employees before I can do with 1 now with Sumo. I don't have to worry about managing that back end. I don't have to worry about making sure updates are getting done. It's done automatically. The overhead is very low. They get it done. Nothing breaks. We haven't had any issues with not being able to get to Sumo. On that ease of management, it's excellent. And then the cost is, very reasonable compared to Splunk and a lot of the other tools out there. If you're currently looking for a solution that's going to save you time and money, I would very much recommend Sumo.